Hey guys, this is North Philtech. In this video, we're going to learn how to enable dividend reinvestment in Robinhood. If you don't have a Robinhood account yet, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up and get a free stock. We will also put links in the description below for similar stock trading apps for you to sign up. So let's get started. Open the website and click on the login button. Next, enter your email and password. Then click on login. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper right of the page. Click on Account. A drop-down menu will then appear with more options. Next, click on the Settings button. On this page, you will see account details and other options. Then, click on the Investing option. Under Investing, you will see the Dividend Reinvestment option. Let's go ahead and click on the Dividend Reinvestment. Here, another drop-down will then appear. Click on the toggle button to enable dividend reinvestment. And that is how you enable dividend reinvestment, which automatically reinvests cash dividend payments into additional shares of the underlying stock or fund. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northviltech.com for great tech articles and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses. See you in our next video.